everyone, it's Darla from Crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome. So today we're going to draw 5 winners for the eyebrow stencil kit things. All right, so that'll be at the end of this video. Olivia from iMethod Beauty asked me if I would try out a different color than in the last review. I'm sorry, the last review wasn't that great. So anyway, she sent me the color 03, which is a natural brown. The other one I think was reddish brown, but it was very, very light. Yeah, so this one, I really, you know what, I really wish it would have the color name as well as the number, yeah, on the box, but it doesn't. So take a look-see. That's with the natural brown color. Yeah, so you're going to see that review. And to the winners, the 5 winners that I'll be drawing at the end of this video, please email me and tell me which one you want, the first one or the second one. Actually, it says that in your comments. But which color you want. The links for each one was under those videos, the review videos. So yeah, and then I'm going to send your information off to Olivia, and then she'll ship the item to you directly. So yeah, I'm really excited to see who wins, because I don't know yet. I haven't I haven't pulled the names yet. So yeah, let's take a look at the review for the number 3 color, which is a natural brown. All right. Now, before that, I just want to mention that Olivia had asked me to put this review at the beginning of the giveaway winner video. So that's what I'm doing. Also, I have a tutorial for this. This is mainly Crochet Channel. I have a tutorial for this top. So I'll link this in the description box as well. All right, on to the review. Okay, so I've measured out my eyebrows the way they tell you to, which I didn't do in the last video, sorry guys. So you take the brush, put beside your nose, and straight up, and you mark that spot. So that's right there. That's where my starting of my eyebrow is. And then you go from the outside of your nose to the outside of your eye. Okay, so I did the outside of my nose. Can you see that? To the outside of my eye. So I marked it there. I think it's a little off, but. And then we go from the tip of our nose through the pupil, and this will be the highest point. Tip of my nose through my pupil. See, I must be, I don't know, tip of my nose through my pupil. Kind of doesn't really work. Tip of my nose through my pupil. Okay, I got my mark there. I'm sorry. I got my mark there. I need a camera person. Okay. All right, so now they're marked. All right, I forgot to mention what I did was I used this brush end here and stuck it in that pomade and then marked my eyebrows. Oops, that's way too close. Okay, that's this stuff here. This is the lid. Okay. So now what I'm doing is I'm taking, like there's several different shapes of these stencils here. So what I'm doing, I didn't see this in the instructions, but what I've done is take it, oh my goodness, take it, oh, there we go. Take it out of the template, and this is it here. And what I'm doing with this part, and I didn't see that in the instructions, but I thought that might be a good idea. Take that part and kind of put it on your eyebrow to see the right shape. Sorry, I'm all over the place here. To see if that will be the right shape. This one doesn't look like it is, so we have other ones here. So I'm going to do the same thing with a couple of other ones, but I'll do it off camera. You have the idea. All right. Sorry, I showed you the wrong kit. That was the, well, it's the same stuff, but this what is the one she, there we go. This is the natural brown she sent me this time. Okay, so this is what we're going to apply. Okay, so what I did was, still, after trying, like putting up all the shapes to my eyebrows that they give you several shapes. Still, this number one seems the closest, and that's what I used last time. But that pomade I thought looked way too light. So, oh, how am I going to do this now? How am I going to do this? Okay, see, this is the new kit because I haven't used that brush yet. Okay, so, all right, I'm going to have to hook you up on my stand. Be right back. All right, so I've lined it up with the dots that I made. And I'm just going to dab this. Where am I? Dab it on that pomade. Okay. Knock off any excess into the lid. I didn't see anything come off. Anyway. Okay. Ugh. Okay, so just dab, dab, dab. So this is the number one shape. Oh man. Okay, maybe I have to dab a little harder on the pomade. Trying, Olivia, I'm trying. Okay. Oh, that's actually better. If I can see my marks, but oh wow, okay. Okay, now I'm just gonna do this off. Put both of them off. Or do the other one off camera, sorry. Okay, I can see my marks there, but and I'm gonna take some of this stuff and fill in. I guess when you do it more often, it's, you know, it's kinda, I don't know, it won't take as long. Like anything, I can't really tell because maybe some of you, oops, I've gone through this too. I had a cataract in one eye, and I had the surgery, and So I'm farsighted in one eye, nearsighted in the other. Yeah, so it's weird, man. It's weird. Okay, so I can't really tell. I know somebody mentioned in my other video that you can get those glasses that the lens pops up or something. I don't know. Huh. It'll definitely take some practice. Oh, hey, there we go. See a bit better. Oh, okay, well. Okay, when I close this eye, it's just all blurry. When I close this eye, I can see better. Well, that's not too bad, right? I mean, not too bad. All right, so let's give away some of this stuff. I'll choose the winners right after this. Hey guys, you'll see that the first 4 winners were chosen with the YouTube random comment picker. Wow, just before I was to draw the 5th winner, it decided to crap out on me. So I had to use a different comment picker for the last winner. So that's why hers looks different. All right. Congratulations, Elizabeth Lane, on the 2nd kit. Congratulations, Kathy Hacker, for winning the 1st kit. Congratulations, Journeys Past, Light Ahead, for winning the 2nd kit. Christina Crochets, congratulations for winning the 1st kit. And Kimberly Miller, congratulations for winning the 1st kit.